Friday during the Rocket Ready PBIS assembly, we are trying something new. During your lunch, pay 1/4 or 25 cents to rent a rocket ball. Step 2, sign up to be assigned a ball number. Step 3, remember your ball number. And step 4, when called down to the assembly, go to your table with the assigned ball number and be sure to grab your ball. If you grab the wrong one and throw somebody else's, they win the prize.
Do we have our first sign up at lunch? We sign up on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays.
Got me, Mitchell Krieger, Justin Sina, Nolan, and Elijah.
Okay, so Mitch, you're number 1, Justin, you're number 2, Nolan, you're number 3, and Elijah, you're number 4.
That's pretty neat.
Where's my ball? Do I get the ball to like now?
You get your ball
Okay.
at the assembly.
Okay, Tate, you're number 5.
Okay.
I'd like to rent the ball.
Piper, you're number 6. Thank you.
I'd like to rent the ball.
All right, Lauren, you're number 7. Hey guys, welcome to the PBIS assembly.
What number are you? 39.
Yeah.
Thank you.
40. 48.
40.
What number are you? 47. Thank you. 41. Thank you. 37. 35.
49.
You're 46.
Awesome! Notice how everybody is going to sit on the bottom 4 or 5 rows of bleachers.
All right, first rocket toss. Rocket ball toss, chit chat. On the count of 3, if you have a rocket ball, I want you to throw it into the bucket of your choice. Either it's the large one in the middle for the grand prize, or the small one for the smaller prize. On the count of 3, let's throw the rocket toss. 1, 2, 3.
You're probably wondering if you won or not. On your way outside of the OJ gym, there will be billboards posted with numbers like this. If your number is on there, you can see Mr. Meyer in room C57 to claim your prize.